Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are at our native place. I'll show you a glimpse of Malnad village. So we are revisiting. Let's see, it's one of the old temples.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವು ಸತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಹಗಮನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ದ್ಯೋತಕವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಭಾರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಆಚರಣೆನೇ ನಿಂತೋತಲ್ಲೇ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬಾಡ್ಜೋ ನಿಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಕೈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಾಡ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ.
This is in memory of Sati, where wife used to die along with her husband's dead body. She used to sacrifice her own life. So this is in memory. This is her hand. You can see the bangle.
ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Yaru. This is husband and wife. So it's like she is blessing us. So that's the meaning of this hand.
The water coming from the mountains just behind this temple. When we were just students, we used to come to this place. During that time, we had to walk only in the water, and just by the sides, there were many plants. Now that all this has been modernized, now there is a walking path, and this paddy field is already converted into areca nut plants. So that what we have seen is only now a memory, and we are repenting that our in next generation they are not able to experience all those what we have experienced. Thank you.
So the temple you saw just now, it's called Kadambeshwara temple. It's of Lord Shiva, and that was built by Kadamba dynasty kings who ruled this area. So yes, now let's continue. This is jackfruit. So this is the path that leads to the small village near that temple, and you can see on both sides there is this arecanut plantation. And this is the path where actually water flows. So especially during rainy season, it's full of water, but people have to travel by this road. But that's the fun part. So you can see water here. So this is the path we came. See, this is how vehicles travel in the water. This is fun. So this is how we travel. It's nice. It's super cool. My mom will scold me. because my slipper will be spoiled after this. I'm going to end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching my native place, Malenadu village. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.